Oh, hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. I thought I'd come out here with my good buddy Steve's Riker Adventures this morning and take a look on the progress they did to the dock. And as you can see, they put new boards down there and they put a little black and yellow watch it or your trip board. I guess that's a good thing to call it, Steve-O.
Yeah, sounds
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Look down, you idiot, because you'll fall if you don't. So, hey, it's done. You can't ask for any more than that. So, thought I'd give you an update on the dock procedure here. So, this will be a short one. We'll let you go. Smyrna Cowboy here with Steve's Riker Adventures here in Smyrna, Tennessee at Sharp Springs Natural Park.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Wishing you and yours a good day. Until next time, say it with me, Steve-O. Adios.